So for me to be this fair and not see green veins like on my skin everywhere the way it used to be in the past, then this thing I'm telling you in this video, it works. If you do it religiously and be consistent with it, your green veins are going to disappear for good. So today we're going to be talking about green veins, what causes green veins, and how to permanently clear green veins from your body. Now, if you're someone that has green veins, this video is going to benefit you because I'm sharing this video from my own personal experience of having green veins in the past. Like I used to have a lot of green veins on my body, on my hand, this place, here, my chest, my hands. Like I used to have green veins due to a result of using lightening creams. Now, first of all, there are two kinds of green veins. Okay, one is treatable and the other is not. Now, as a let's talk about the untreatable one. The untreatable one is the natural one. Now, there are some people that are very fair. If you're a very fair person, the tendency of you having green veins or seeing green veins, maybe when you do your hands like this or when you stretch a particular part of your body, the possibility of you seeing a green vein on your skin is very, very high. And trust me, it is very normal. Okay, like the last video I did about this, a lot of Indians sort of came for me and said, oh, it's normal to have green veins. Now, it's normal to some people from other races to have green veins because they are very fair in complexion. But if you have melanin skin, it is somewhat uncommon for you to see green veins on your body because of our melanin rich skin. So if you are a fair person from a fair race, you are Indian, you are from Pakistan, you are from the US, UK, Europe in general, and all of those things, and you are white or somehow Caucasian, it is normal for you to see green veins on your skin. But for we Africans here, it is not normal. Now, there are some things that actually cause green veins. Okay, it is not only lightening creams that can actually cause green veins. A lot of people think, oh, it's only when you use lightening products. No, some people, it's caused by their lotion. Some people, it is caused by their soap. Some people, it is caused by their hormones. Some people, it is caused by stress. Do you understand? So, green veins can appear on your skin due to different things. It can even be medication. It can be medication that affected your skin that is making you to see green veins on your body. So those are the common causes of green veins. Medication, cream, soap, your hormone, which can be, disrupted by even your medication or your food, your environment, stress. A lot of things can lead to green veins. So it is not only lightening creams that can make you to have green veins. Okay. And now the cause of the green vein will somehow affect the treatment of it. Do you understand? Now, I'm making this video because of a comment that I saw. Was it yesterday? It was yesterday. Someone said she doesn't believe that you can use cream to heal green veins or to cure green veins or to clear green veins. I laughed and I told her, let your belief work for you because this is what I use. Me, I used cream. And from that, my video, a lot of people have taken my advice and there has been lots of positive feedback from the very first video of green veins that I made on this channel. But she says she doesn't believe in it. So that is why I'm remaking this video to better explain to you if you're watching this video and to whoever that has not actually seen the old video. Now, when you get green veins, let's say your green vein now came from using lightening cream. And then some people, what they do is when they get green vein, maybe they're using a particular lightening cream, and then the cream gave them green veins. What they naturally do is to stop the lightening cream, and then maybe stop using lightening cream for a while, and then they are going to darken. And then when they not darken, they are not seeing that green vein. They will not say, oh, the green vein has gone. It has not gone. It's there. It's just hiding under that dark skin. What is green vein? First of all, because we call it green vein, green vein, green veins, doesn't mean that that is actually what it means. What exactly is green veins? There's nothing like green veins to burst your bubble. There's nothing like green veins. The reason why what you are seeing on your skin is green is because you are seeing it through your skin. It is green because you are seeing it through your skin. It is your vein actually that you are seeing. You see that vein that they used to look for when you go to the hospital to take injection. That's what you're seeing. Now, the color is not green. Obviously, the color is not green. It is only green to our eyes because we are seeing it through the lens of our eyes. So it is not typically green vein. It is just your vein now becoming very visible to the eye, which is very unusual to the African skin. Now, the primary reason why you are seeing your vein through your eyes in several parts of your body that are not supposed to be is because your skin has thinned out. Hear me. A thin skin is equal to your veins being more visible to the eyes, which is generally termed green veins. Now, at any point in time that you begin to see green veins on your skin, the right thing to do is to ask yourself, what can I do to replenish my skin so that my skin will get thicker again and then the green vein will be less visible to the eye? Anything you are doing that is not nourishing your skin, that is not repairing your skin, you are wasting your time. Because if you like, get dark and be as dark as what? As dark as this, my microphone. And you didn't repair your skin. And in that process, your skin did not decide, maybe you didn't eat well, and your skin decided to naturally thicken by itself. You see those your veins, they are still visible. If you ever try to brighten up again, they'll come out. Do you understand? That's why a lot of people have been in this circle of trying to, treat their green veins for years. And at the end of the day, they are going to give up. Now, how did I go about my own? How did I use cream to actually clear my green veins? First of all, I already explained why you are seeing your veins with your naked eyes. It is because your skin thinned out. Now, if you are experiencing thinning of the skin, first of all, is to discontinue the cause of that thin skin. If yours is caused by cream, caused by soap, whatever it is, or maybe a medication, that you feel like it is this thing that is thinning my skin, that is making my skin now become so thin that I can see my veins in my, like through my skin, then you need to discontinue that thing. Because if you don't discontinue it and focus on treatment, it is going to be -1 + 1. You are not going to be seeing results. Okay? Yeah. First, find the problem and tackle it. Second is treatment. Treatment of that particular of thickening your skin. Now, there are several ways you can go through, to thicken your skin. First of all, let me tell you, science says that when your skin gets thin, there is no way to thicken your skin. Now, that is science, and we all know that science evolves, science changes. What science said in 2000 is not what it's saying now. I believe in science, but a lot of times I believe in practical things. I believe in things that I have done that work, things I have done for people that work. A lot of things that I come out here to tell you people and you use and it works for you. Science is not going to teach you that one. These are things that I learned over the years of trial and errors, of helping people, helping myself also. Do you understand? So now, just like I said, nourishment of your skin. Now, what are the things you are going to use that will nourish your skin? Body lotions. You need body lotions that have specific ingredients in them. Now, those specific ingredients in those particular products is what is going to help to nourish your skin. You need nourishing products, and you also need to eat well. Because when you are dealing with your skin, you tackle from the outside and you also tackle from the inside. Number one, eat veggies. If you are someone that doesn't eat veggies a lot, it is going to tell on your skin. Eat veggies, eat fruits, okay? Anything green, anything red, just eat them. Tomatoes, pepper. Me, I love pepper. Pepper is a fruit. So vegetables, those green vegetables, whatever, any type, whether it's ugu or spinach, whatever you would like to call it, watermelon. I say watermelon. What's the name? Water leaf. Different. There are different fruits from different regions, from different tribes. Just eat green. Try and eat vegetables during this period that you are healing your skin. Now, body lotions that I recommend to use, that I personally use. Number one, Nivea Nourishing Cocoa. This particular body lotion is going to do you a whole lot of good. But it is a pity that a lot of people run away from Nivea, even recently. Like, I keep going back and forth with some of my clients. They don't want Nivea. They don't want Nivea. I don't get it. Please, Nivea is not what it used to be in the year 2000, or even in the year 2000 and maybe 2016, 17, 18, 19. It's not what it used to be anymore. The cream that actually helped me finally, because it takes time. Oh, you see, all of these things I'm saying, this is not a result you are going to see in the course of 6 months. You might not even see results in the course of 1 year, depending on your skin. People's skins differ. Now, my general treatment for green veins took me about 3 whole years. It took me about 3 whole years for me to look at my skin, and I am fair, not that I am dark. Because some people, as I say, some people just run to being dark. They will just stop the lightening cream and then they will now be dark. And then you feel like your skin has recovered. Your skin has not recovered. Your skin issues, your green veins, they are hiding under that dark skin. That is why when you look at your hands, you are not seeing any green vein. Try to lighten up. Try to brighten your skin and you are going to see them pop out. So for me to be this fair and not see green veins like on my skin everywhere the way it used to be in the past, then this thing I'm telling you in this video, it works. If you do it religiously and be consistent with it, your green veins are going to disappear for good. Okay, whether your green veins was caused by pregnancy, whether it was caused by cream, whether it was caused by maybe medication, whatever. Once you have tackled the cause, whether it is pregnancy, you will give birth to the baby now. After you give birth, your system is going to reset. Everything is going to reset. You don't remain pregnant all the rest of your life, right? So now it's treatment. So the creams you use, number, I've recommended one, which is the Nivea Nourishing Cocoa, and that's because that particular body lotion has an amazing ingredient. It has cocoa and it has shea butter. These are the two butters I always recommend, but not to use them topically on your skin because it's going to affect your complexion, but to use products that contain them. Lotion number 2, Nivea Advanced Care. This one that has avocado oil. It is very good. This particular body lotion, it is so good. So use anything that has oils, anything that has butters. Trust me, your skin is going to love it. Now, personally, what I did initially in the back then, I totally stopped using both lightening and both brightening products. I stopped using all of these things. I wasn't brightening my skin. I wasn't lightening my skin. But I was using these nourishing products on my skin. Okay, I think at some point I used Beauty Fair. This particular one, this is also so good. This body lotion is amazing. It has collagen in it. So these are things that are going to help to replenish your skin. I'm going to be putting up pictures of some body lotions also that you can use. Body lotions that have ceramide, amino acids. These are body lotions that can use. But trust me, I am going to recommend oil butter rich lotions over ceramide lotions when it comes to healing and tickling of your skin. I know why. Do you know why? Because in reality, the oils and the butters are what works. But science will tell you ceramide and all of those things. So that is why I tell you, science will tell you another thing, but reality will tell you another thing. Now, you can try both because people's skins are different. Some people, their barrier, their ceramide level is very low on their skin. So when they use ceramide body lotions, it works for them. Some people need nourishment, butters, and all of those things. They don't eat enough oils. They don't eat enough nutrients. Then you need butters. You can use both. Let's take, for example, you can use a ceramide peptide collagen body lotion in the morning. And then at night, you can use a nourishing cocoa or shea butter body lotion or body butter at night. If you maintain this routine for a while, say 6 months, you are going to notice one thing. Your skin is going to start feeling healthy. Your skin is going to start feeling nourished. Your skin is going to repair. While you are treating green veins, avoid brightening your skin. Because if you are brightening your skin at the same points, it is going to be -1 + 1. It is when you have treated your skin to a particular point that you are now going to start brightening up your skin. That is when you are now going to start doing 50-50. I made a video where I talked about 50-50 skin routine if you are someone that has damaged skin. But first of all, I always say, try to give your skin some months before you get into the 50-50 routine. Use only nourishing, moisturizing, rich, repairing products first for a while. Then you get into the 50-50 to start brightening up and glowing up your skin. Because initially, if you want to do the 50-50 thing, your result is going to be very slow, because this journey is not something that you are going to see result ASAP. So imagine something that will take you like a year or two, and then you are now taking a route that will make it not work. That means to take you like 4 years, and trust me, I don't think there's anybody that will want to be treating skin for that long. You understand? So first of all, use this product for like 6 months before you start using brightening products on your skin. If you use this step, you are successfully going to repair your skin. You are successfully going to thicken up your skin a bit, that will enable you not to be seeing those veins you are seeing through your skin. So it will make you, or it will give you the freedom to explore in your routine, to brighten your skin or to lighten your skin safely if you want to. So that is what I have to share with you in today's video. If you have any questions, any concerns, leave them in the comment section and I will surely reply you. Thank you for watching. Bye.